JavaScript has been the king of web development for over a decade. But what if I told you Laravel is quietly taking its place? Not just as a backend framework, but as the backbone of full stack applications. Today we will explore how Laravel is changing the game and why it might just be the new JavaScript. Hello everyone, I'm Umesh Rana and welcome back to the Programming Fields, where we break down the latest in web development to help you stay ahead. So let's dive in. For over a decade, whenever we thought about building a dynamic user interface, one thing came to mind: JavaScript. Frameworks like React, Vue, Angular, and more recently Svelte became the go-to tools for modern web applications. But this power came with a price. To build a full single-page application, developers often had to juggle multiple libraries and tools, from state management solutions like Redux or Vuex to complex bundlers just like Webpack or Vite, plus routing, testing, and more. And on top of that, there is the constant context switching between the backend and the frontend. You might write your APIs in Laravel or another backend framework, but then spend hours wiring it all together with JavaScript. That switching slows down productivity and creates more room for mistakes. And finally, many teams found themselves maintaining massive JavaScript codebases, sometimes larger than their entire backend. And keeping everything in sync between the backend and frontend becomes a challenge in itself. So this was the JavaScript era, powerful but complex and often overwhelming for teams who just wanted to build apps faster. And here is the real problem: complexity. Building modern web application often means juggling multiple frameworks and libraries. You have got React or Vue for the front end, Webpack or Vite for bundling, NPM or Yarn for dependencies, plus state management tools, routing, and testing frameworks. That is a lot of moving parts. And for teams, this creates a steep learning curve. New developers spend more time figuring out the stack than building features. And just when you get comfortable, a new tool or framework trend appears. This will force you to rethink your entire approach. This constant churn leads to developer fatigue. The meme says it all: another framework. And on top of that, switching between backend code in Laravel and front-end code in React adds extra friction. You are essentially maintaining two separate applications that need to stay in sync. And all of this makes maintenance harder, slows down development, and increases the chances of bugs creeping in. And it is a cycle that many teams are desperate to escape. And here is where Laravel starts changing the game with Livewire. Livewire lets you build dynamic, reactive user interfaces using only PHP. No JavaScript required. For example, you can create a form that validates input in real time as the user types. Errors display instantly. But you never touch a single line of JavaScript while building this. Beyond forms, Livewire can update dashboards, refresh data, and handle interactive components on the fly. All the reactivity you expect from a modern application, but retained in your Laravel codebase. The real benefit here is less complexity. And instead of splitting your work between PHP and a JavaScript framework, you can stay in one language and one framework, which means faster development and fewer headache. And this is why so many developers describe Livewire as magic. This gives you dynamic UIs without the weight of a front-end framework. Another big game changer in the Laravel ecosystem is Inertia.js. Think of Inertia as the glue between your Laravel backend and modern front-end frameworks like Vue, React, or even Svelte. Normally, to get a single page application feel, you would have to set up and maintain two separate projects, your Laravel backend and a full JavaScript frontend with its own build process. That is extra work, more complexity, and more maintenance. Inertia solves this by letting Laravel directly return frontend components. And here is a simple example. Instead of returning a blade view, your controller can return an inertia view, just like a dashboard component in Vue or React, along with data from the backend. And in the resultant, your app feels like a modern single page application, which will have fast page transitions, dynamic updates, but it is still powered entirely by Laravel routes. This means you get the benefit of modern front-end frameworks without the hassle of managing a completely separate front-end project. And that we already covered up in Laravel 12 with React Starter Kit, in which we used Inertia.js to render React components. Now here is where it all comes together. Traditionally, full stack development meant building and maintaining two different applications, your backend with Laravel and a separate frontend single page application in React or Vue connected through an API. That is powerful, but it adds a lot of moving parts, extra setup, extra maintenance, and more context switching. But with Laravel's approach, powered by Livewire and Inertia, things are much simpler. You can build your entire full stack solution inside one ecosystem, and Livewire lets you write dynamic UIs with PHP alone, while Inertia bridges Laravel directly to Vue, React, or Svelte without a separate front-end project. And in the result, it will have less setup, faster interaction, and most importantly, a unified workflow where backend and frontend are seamlessly connected. This shift is one of the biggest reasons Laravel is being seen not just as a backend framework, but as a complete full stack solution. Now we will talk about Laravel ecosystem. Laravel's ecosystem makes full stack development easily. Laravel does not stop at being a framework. Its ecosystem covers almost every step of the development lifecycle. The blade with Alpine.js let you add interactivity without a complex JS build chain. Further, Breeze and Jetstream give you authentication and scaffolding out of the box. Forge and Envoyer take care of deployment and server management, while Nova powers beautiful admin panels. This means you can move from idea to production faster without leaving Laravel's ecosystem. Laravel's ecosystem goes even further with community-driven packages and UI kits. Tools like Filament, Tall Stack UI, and Wire UI give you beautifully crafted components that work seamlessly with Livewire and Inertia. That means you don't have to start from scratch. You can drop in ready-to-use dashboard, forms, and UI elements and focus on building features instead of reinventing the wheel. These kits are designed specifically for Laravel developers, which will make your workflow even smoother. Now if we'll talk about performance, less JavaScript means lighter bundles and faster page loads, which means straight out of the box. At the end of the day, it is not just about performance or tools, it is about developer happiness. Laravel's full stack approach means you code less, ship faster, and actually enjoy building apps again. And maintainability improves. So we can say maintainability gets a huge boost when you don't have to juggle multiple stacks. Instead of needing two separate teams for backend and frontend, Laravel's full stack approach lets one team handle everything, and you will have one language, one framework, and one ecosystem, which will make onboarding faster and reducing developer fatigue. Laravel is clearly reducing the need for heavy JavaScript in many types of projects. It is now a go-to for SaaS, dashboards, and content-driven application. JavaScript will still lead when it comes to advanced single-page applications, games, or highly interactive applications. But the difference is, developers finally have a choice between a unified Laravel stack or a traditional JavaScript-heavy stack. So to sum it up, Laravel is not here to kill JavaScript, but it is simplifying development and making us need less of it. Now, what do you think? Is Laravel becoming the new JavaScript, or is that going too far? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, Make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other content on Laravel and modern web development. So here is the big takeaway. The future of full stack development is not JavaScript only anymore. Laravel's ecosystem makes it easier than ever to build SaaS applications, dashboards, and content-driven platforms without juggling multiple stacks. If this gave you a fresh perspective, hit the like button, share it with others, and subscribe to Programming Fields so you don't miss my upcoming deep dives into Laravel and modern web development. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.